Have you ever wondered what is inside a stock two-stroke exhaust? I have. And in this short little episode here, I am going to cut open the original Mighty MOTOCOMPO exhaust and see how it works. Let's see what's inside. Before we get started, a little bit of safety equipment. Make sure you're wearing your eye muffs and your ear goggles before you operate heavy machinery. Alright, I guess that's that then. Turns out there's not much inside one of these MOTOCOMPO two-stroke exhausts. Looks like the exhaust comes in and then gets separated. There's a bit of fiberglass matting, a bit of a can in there. Comes out the other end and out the little dump pipe thing here. Interestingly, if you look there, you can see the little exit is blocked. So the reason I wanted to cut this one up is so I could see exactly how it works. Knowing how it works, it will give me an idea of why this one is blocked and possibly why the other one is blocked. So that's what this was about, just to find out where my blockage is and is there meant to be a blockage. And it looks like no, there's not meant to be a blockage. Something has jammed its way in there. So I guess that's it on this short little episode of Mighty MOTOCOMPO goodness. What's inside a MOTOCOMPO exhaust? Again guys, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video.